Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. In the video, Zakyius and his friends and sister, Zelly show off a giant collection of squishy needles and dumplings, then decide to wash them all. They tour the collection, naming many items like cheese, butter, hot dog, cow, duck, present, strawberries, banana, and a favorite duck, while also mentioning a dumpling academy after some red dumplings were popped. They count the collection, initially tallying around 100, with numbers fluctuating as they recount and discuss how many squishies they have. One moment noting 100, later mentioning 103 and then 113. They explain they've given away some items through fidget trading with friends like Sophia. The crew then moves the process outside, setting up on the porch to wash the toys with soap and water, involving Zelly and their grandma as they splash and play. The washing becomes chaotic and playful. The kids sit in a bubble-filled basin. Some jump in with the squishies, others splash and tumble. And there are moments of danger and silliness as they attempt to clean, avoid breaking eyes or delicate features, and retrieve items that fall off. After much bubbly chaos, they manage to rinse and scrub the collection until it looks brand new, with everyone admiring how clean and large the assortment has become. In the end, Zakyius thanks the viewers, asks for likes and subscriptions, and signs off with a cheerful goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.